Seamless replacement. This fog light assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original equipment on specific vehicles. Excellent value, original equipment quality at a lower price. Durable materials, high-grade plastic protects against weather and road conditions. Easy installation, built to match the original dimensions for proper fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. Need a new fog light assembly that looks, fits and performs like the original, for less than going back to the dealership? This replacement fog light was reverse engineered to match the stock equipment on specific vehicles. Vehicle model years. This part fits. Be sure to check your vehicle trim using the Amazon garage. Top reviews from the United States. Direct OEM replacement in 2006 Explorer. I ordered these as replacements for my OEM fog lights as the lenses had come out of both fog lights. These are almost exact replicas, although the originals are stamped made in Canada and these are obviously made in China or Taiwan or some other Asian manufacturer, don't remember which. There are reviews describing cheap clips that break when installed, but I didn't have this problem on either fog light assembly. The clips are on ball joints and must be adjusted to the mounting holes, but they slid in and snapped into place without damage. No grease, no tricks, just push them in. These are great for replacing OEM parts to retain OEM look.